Today we will see how to find HCF of 8 and 12 using individual prime factorization method. Before solving the problem, please go through the steps. Step 1. Find the prime factorization of 8 and 12 individually. Now let us find the prime factorization of 8 and 12. Please follow these steps to find the prime factorization of 8 and 12. I am going to skip this step as we have already solved many problems to find prime factorization. So, the prime factorization of 8 is 2 multiplied by 2 multiplied by 2. Also, the prime factorization of 12 is 2 multiplied by 2 multiplied by 3. Got it? Let us move on to step 2. Identify the common prime factors of 8 and 12. Observe here, 2 and 2 are the prime factors that are common to both 8 and 12. So, the common prime factors of 8 and 12 are 2 and 2. Got it? Step 3. Multiply the common prime factors. In this case, the product of common prime factors is 2 multiplied by 2 gives you 4. Therefore, HCF of 8 and 12 is 4. Got it? This means that 4 is the greatest positive integer that divides both 8 and 12 exactly, without leaving any remainder. Got it? Thank you for watching. For more details on HCF, please subscribe to my channel and watch the below playlist. Thank you.